Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and it's giving you an F09 error and you're wondering what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it. So basically what this error is a long drying time error, which means it only gives itself a certain amount of time to dry whatever's in there, and if it's still not dry, it's going to give you this error. So this could be happening for a couple of reasons. Some of the main ones is, number one, if you've just put stuff in here just soaking wet, then you might end up with this error because it will just doesn't have time to dry it. So if you put a whole bunch of soaking wet stuff in the dryer, you might not need to worry about it. You can just rerun a cycle and everything should be fine. You should also check all the lint screens because anything that restricts airflow can keep things from drying properly and then can take too long. Other than those sort of basic things, it could also be issues with the heating coils not heating up properly, not getting hot enough, and that would prevent it from drying. But you might need to call a technician for that. But basically, we want to make sure that we're not putting stuff in here that's too wet, and we want to make sure that all our airflow in the dryer is good.